Cold emailing or email marketing. How could I convert cold emailing to the warm leads and generate leads? There is one secret weapon which in this video I want to tell you. And now instead of sending 500, 1000 emails every day, you could send just 5 or 10 emails every day, and at least 50% of them will turn to lead for you, and also warm lead who will buy your product or maybe will ask about your product and save your emails for when they need your product. Keep watching if you want to know what is exactly the secret weapon here to turn cold emailing to warm lead generation. And also don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet. In this YouTube channel, you could find the best contents in sales, marketing, closing deals, and business for being a better version of yourself in the business. Come on, I don't want to tell you how to prepare an email, make it short, make it personalized, how to send it. I'm sure you know it. I want to know how to make an email interesting for my prospect and make my prospect interested in the email, and how to encourage my prospect, my customer, to receive my email, to read it, and also give some feedback, ask about my product and also my services, and then buy my product. It means that how an email could turn or convert one prospect to a existing customer. Let's first answer one question together. How do you prepare your potential customers' data bank to send them email? Do you buy this data bank from some companies who promise you that they are for sure your 100% potential customers? Do you trust them? Okay, let's trust them. Let's think that we trust them. What do you do next? Do you enter all of these emails or maybe telephones or maybe all of them to your CRM, connect your CRM to your email sending system, and then send emails to all of them? For sure, you are going to personalize, you are going to send in by, for example, a period of time, everything, you consider everything. How many feedback do you receive? How many of them turn to your customer? How many of them are going to buy? How many of them are going to ask some questions about your products? Maybe, for example, price. Maybe, for example, different aspects of your solution. I'm sure few of them, maybe none of them. Because you haven't built trust already. Because you haven't considered a very big point in the marketing. You cannot ask anything before offering anything. If you want your prospect to be interested in your email, read it and also give feedback and then buy your product. First, you need to offer something. First, you need to help them without asking anything. If you help them, if you offer them something before asking anything, then you are going to help them to trust you. You are building trust. You are converting your role here from a seller, maybe from a disturber, to a solver, to a helper. What all of the prospects, customers, and people would like to see and would like to have. Who doesn't want to have a helper as a friend, as a contact, as a neighbor? Everyone would like to have. Why you are not going to change your role as a, for example, email marketer, as a seller, to a helper and solver? Okay, let's see how. Imagine I'm preparing a data bank from my potential customers. First, I want to see which of them are real potential customers and which of them are not. Okay, now I need to do some investigation, which in the sales meeting, in the sales process, we call it doing my homework. I am going to investigate in the website, social media, competitors, market, product, everything to understand which of them could be really lead or prospect for my business. When I found them, I'm going to found them in the social media. I'm going to get connected with them in the social media. In the next phase, I'm going to do some engagement with their posts, with their blogs, with everything that they have in the social media. And also I am going to get engaged with their blogs in the website also. I am going to show myself and introduce myself indirectly, of course, in different ways which they could see me. After a while, I'm going to ask some questions about their company, about their products, about their challenges, without saying that I am going to sell you something. Now, let's set our mindset. We are helper. We are a friend. We are solver. We are not seller yet. Now in the social media, in the website, in the events, in the seminars, in the webinars, everywhere, I am going to attend and participate as much as I can. I am going to ask some questions. I am going to get engaged with their post and also help them to do some engagement with my post also. Then, when I found it a good way, I am going to ask something about their challenges, which are related to my product. But I am not going to introduce my product yet. As I told you, I encourage them to do some engagement in my social media or maybe in my materials also. What are my materials? Maybe I could offer them an ebook. Maybe I could offer them some tubes, maybe videos, maybe some texts and blogs, which could help them to get rid of their challenges. It means that I am going to help them to solve their problems without asking anything, without asking for any sales process yet. Okay, now my prospect knows me, my name, my business, and maybe my product and something about my history, and they know that I'm really interested in helping them. I'm offering free resources, maybe book, maybe as I told you, for example, YouTube channels, maybe some blogs, maybe some products. All of them are for free and without asking anything. Sometimes maybe you found a very good book which you have already read it. Why you are not going to introduce it to them for free? And also why you are not going to buy that book and send them as a gift for them, as a free, as a gift? Yes, you are going to build trust. Maybe you are going to do it only for 5 prospects, maybe for 10 prospects, maybe for 20 prospects, not for 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 prospects. Now it is time for the next stage. Next stage is exactly sending an email. Now you have personalized your email, but the personalization doesn't mean only writing your prospect name or their company's name or maybe your name under the email. It is talking about their challenge. You are going to start your email with a bang. What is the bang? This is their challenge. They know you exactly very good. And in the email, you are going to explain their challenge very shortly. And also you are going to talk about the solutions, the potential solutions which help them to get rid of that. In that email, you are going to ask for a meeting, for a coffee chat. And you are not going to sell anything yet. Just you are saying that while you know us, while you are trusting us, and while you know that we want to help, okay, I know your challenge also, I know something about the solutions also, and I have given you many things. I have offered you many things for free. Now I'm asking only one thing, 20 minutes coffee chat together, maybe live or maybe online. I'm sure more than 50%, even much more than 50% of them will accept to see you as a, for example, online meeting or maybe live meeting for a coffee chat, to have a coffee together. What should I do in that meeting? In that meeting, I'm going to explain more about the challenge and also our products and our roles. Okay, I send maybe just 5 or 7 or even 3 emails every day instead of 300, 500 or 1000 emails. But all of my emails, 100% of my emails are making warm leads. Now for a moment put yourself in your prospect's shoes. When they receive your email, an email from someone who I know already, and also I know him or her as a helper, I know that they want to help me. They don't want to do just marketing or selling something, or sometimes even by putting pressure on me. Now let's make a different imagination. Imagine you are in your office and you are receiving an email from an unknown person who is talking about their products, introducing about their products, even maybe mentioning your challenge. What is the difference when you know somebody, when you trust somebody and you know him or her as a helper, comparing with the email which you don't know who has sent it? This is exactly the secret weapon. Cold emailing works, email marketing works if we know how to do it. This is exactly the main reason here. What are the benefits of this kind of email marketing and cold emailing? First, you are increasing the open rate. It means that more people are going to open your emails. I could say almost 100% of your customers are going to open your emails because they know you, because you are not an unknown marketer. You are a known and trustable friend, solver, or helper. The second one, you will receive feedback from them. Maybe they say, for example, yes, we would like to have your solution, but could you please explain something more? Do you have any solution for this side also? Or can you make it a bit better by this solution? Or I don't need right now, but could you please remind us 3 months later, 5 months later? Or could you please participate in our board meeting and explain something more about your product? Something like this. All of them are great. It means that we have done our job great and our marketing really good. It is what all of the marketers are looking for. And the third one, stronger relationship. As you know, business is based on the relationship, networking, and trust. You have already done all. You are a trustable people here, you are a helper, you are a good friend for them, even with a good relationship, with a strong networking system. Everything is working really great, and now it is the time for doing business for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and also share it with your friends, family, colleagues, everyone who wants to be a better version of themselves in sales, marketing, especially cold emailing and email marketing. And don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet, if you want to receive more and more contents in sales, marketing, business, and closing deals.